Alright, I gotta go. Ah, we must be close now. I have found it!
He knows where the golden piece is. We need to find him. Stop, you thief! I am your worst enemy, Balak.
I'm John. I'm Stanley.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Why are you here?
I don't know. You will die. No! I will never give you the golden hair piece.
Prepare to die.
Why? Why?
Because.
Ah! Here you go, little boy. A big head.
Why, thank you, Santa. I can't believe you know that I wanted that.
You're welcome.
Whoa! Yippee!
Oh, look out! Ah! Ah! Where'd all you people come from?
I am James Bond, 007. I am a secret agent.
Get him! Wait, where's the golden hairpiece? Da-da-da-da! Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Everything's going all over the place. Ah! Snake! Ah! Army guys! Ah! Oh no! An oar! Ah! Oh no! A skeleton! Ah! Oh! I can't get across. I got up!
Did you get the golden hairpiece?
Yep.
Let's go.
Yay!